Emergency Alert System has issued a cybersecurity threat to the following states: South Carolina, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, North Carolina, and Florida. There have been growing reports of a virus or hack spreading around major cities in these areas. We advise all residents and tourists of these areas to power off all cellular devices, as to not help the spread of the virus. Not much is known as of right now, but if your phone or mobile device shows signs that it might be infected, power it off and bring it to the nearest police station. We also advise to stay away from major cities like Charlotte, Montgomery, Tallahassee, Jacksonville, Miami, Tampa, Atlanta, Nashville, Charleston, and Savannah. Thank you for your understanding.